Bharatlinkr. I'm currently pursuing my BTech fourth year from Senior College of Engineering. I have recently attended IBM Skills Build program powered by ICD Academy in partnership with IBM Skills Build. The program covers completely data analytics. It starts with basics of Python to advanced data analytics. It includes the concepts of starting with the Python basics, and also it covers the libraries which are important for data analytics such as NumPy, Pandas, and also visualizations such as Matplotlib and Seaborn. The tutor Venuprakash sir is very engaging, and he creates the environment which is not about teaching and also learning, and also to interact with the teacher, and also to cover each and every concept, and also how to apply those concepts in the corporate sector. Not about learning those codes and all those stuff, but also how to cover those important concepts, how to learn from those concepts, how to apply those data analytics concepts in real life, and also how to gain insights from a data set, and how to get those important visualizations and also analytics from if any raw data set is given. By attending this workshop, I have gained a complete hands-on experience about covering how to identify and analyze a complete data set, and this workshop has completely gained me a hands-on experience on data analytics. I strongly suggest this workshop to create to be attended by many other people so that they will get a hands-on experience on IBM skills. Thank you.